Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best fish cleaning tables that are available on the market for their true quality. You can check out the product links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. Coming in at number 5 is the HLPB Fold in Half Folding Fish Cleaning Table. This table combines practicality with durability. Constructed with premium high-density polyethylene and reinforced steel legs, it can hold up to an impressive 330 pounds, making it one of the sturdiest options in this lineup. The foldable design minimizes storage space, and it even comes with a carry bag for easy transportation. It's equipped with a universal faucet, sink, spray nozzle, drain pipes, and a side basket for additional storage, making it ideal for cutting and cleaning fish or food during outdoor adventures. While the build quality is solid, the overall design feels a bit bulky compared to other options on this list. The safety lock and non-slip mats on the legs provide added stability. But the table's weight of 31 pounds might make it less convenient for frequent transport. On the performance front, it delivers a reliable workspace for fish cleaning, but the included accessories, such as the toolkit and side basket, feel somewhat basic and could use an upgrade. Ultimately, the HLPB table offers great value for those who prioritize durability and a large workspace. However, its heavier build and relatively low customer ratings, 3.4 stars, make it better suited for stationary use in gardens, patios, or backyards, rather than highly portable scenarios. Pros: sturdy construction, high weight capacity, good accessory set. Cons: bulky design, lower customer ratings, heavier than other options. At number 4, we have the UL Foldable Fish Cleaning Table. This table is specifically designed with portability in mind, featuring a convenient foldable structure that collapses down to just 25 inches by 27 inches. It's perfect for throwing in your car trunk or RV for camping trips, fishing outings, or beach picnics. The large tabletop size of 50 by 27 inches provides ample workspace, while the integrated measurement markers add a nice touch for precision filleting and food preparation. What sets this table apart is its versatility. The built-in 360-degree rotatable faucet and high-pressure spray gun make cleaning fish or dishes a breeze, while the integrated drainage system efficiently channels wastewater into a bucket. The rust-resistant frame and HDPE construction ensure that it can withstand harsh outdoor conditions. But at 28.3 pounds, it's not the lightest option. Additionally, the included gloves, clip, fish scaling tool, and fish cutting knife make this a solid all-in-one package for outdoor enthusiasts. While the UL table is highly functional, its higher weight and slightly more complex setup process might deter those who value simplicity. That said, with its thoughtful design and impressive customer ratings, 5 stars, it's a fantastic choice for anyone who wants a multi-use table for outdoor adventures. Pros: excellent portability, versatile features, rust-resistant materials. Cons: heavier than some competitors. Setup can be slightly tricky. Taking the number 3 spot is the Magma Bait Fillet Mate Table. Its compact design, measuring just 31 inches wide and 12 inches deep, makes it perfect for boats and smaller spaces. Manufactured with high-density polyethylene, this table is incredibly sturdy and resistant to cracking, peeling, or absorbing odors, a major plus for long-term use. It's equipped with an engraved fish ruler, knife holsters, pliers holder, and slotted back channels for easy cleanup, making it a feature-rich choice for fish cleaning and bait preparation. Where the Magma table truly shines is in its mounting versatility. With options to securely attach it to rod holders, rails, deck sockets, or pedestals, it's tailor-made for boating enthusiasts who need a reliable and compact work surface. However, its maximum weight recommendation of just 5 pounds limits its use for heavier tasks, and the absence of a sink or faucet makes it less practical for multi-purpose outdoor activities. With solid customer ratings, 4.4 stars, this table is a great choice for anglers who prioritize portability and specialized functionality over a large workspace or extra features. Pros: compact and portable, durable construction, versatile mounting options. Cons: limited weight capacity, lacks sink or faucet. Coming in at number 2 is the Maviter 18-inch Bamboo Fish Cleaning Board Kit. This eco-friendly option is crafted from 100% natural bamboo, offering a lightweight and odor-free workspace that's perfect for filleting fish. Its deep jaw clamp firmly holds fishtails in place, providing excellent stability for cleaning and cutting tasks. With an included knife, sharpener, gloves, and a built-in ruler for measuring your catch, this kit is a comprehensive solution for anglers. The bamboo construction is not only sustainable, but also visually appealing, making this board a great gift for fishing enthusiasts. Its compact dimensions, 17.7 by 6.3 inches, and lightweight design make it easy to carry and store. However, the lack of a sink or drainage system means this board is better suited for smaller jobs or areas where cleanup facilities are readily available. With solid customer ratings, 4.3 stars, the Maviter board is an excellent choice for those seeking a portable, eco-friendly, and affordable solution for light fish cleaning tasks. Pros: sustainable bamboo construction, lightweight design, includes essential accessories. Cons: no sink or drainage, limited workspace. And finally, at number 1, we have the Lifetime 4-foot folding fish fillet cleaning table. This table offers the perfect blend of portability, functionality, and durability, making it the top pick in this lineup. It features a built-in wash basin with an integrated drain and plug that attaches to any standard garden hose, along with a spray nozzle that provides flow control for precision cleaning. The molded-in ruler and designated accessory storage add to its thoughtful design, while the fold-in-half feature ensures easy transport and storage. At 29.5 by 49.1 inches, the Lifetime table provides plenty of workspace for filleting and food preparation. Constructed with high-density polyethylene and a powder-coated steel frame, it's both sturdy and weather-resistant, capable of supporting up to 100 pounds. The table's versatility is unmatched. It's ideal for camping, backyard use, or fishing trips, and its sleek, modern design fits seamlessly into any outdoor setting. With excellent customer ratings, 4.6 stars, and a reasonable price point of $84.99, the Lifetime table is the perfect all-rounder for anyone who needs a reliable fish cleaning station. Pros: spacious workspace, durable construction, easy portability. Cons: slightly heavier than some competitors. No included assembly tools. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.